Hey guys, you got Martin Barkey here in the shop, and today I'm going to show you the MBRP front bumper for the Can-Am Mav R. Now we've got a handful of really cool products coming out. Let's start with this bumper. So we call this our winch bumper. So it's basically, it's just big, beefy. We raced this exact bumper at KOH this year. Both Josh's car and my car had this bumper on it. So let me tell you a little bit about it. We have 1 3/4 tubing. This is 13 gauge tubing. It's all powder coated. It's a direct bolt on. It is tough as nails, boys. So quickly, I'm gonna show you here. Plastic's coming off. We come up here for the added strength. So we quickly bolt to the upper mounts here. You can see laser formed bracketry here, all MIG welded, good to go there. So that's gonna give us some extra strength on the top side of this bar. If or when you decide you want to push a rock or a tree or maybe your buddy on his Polaris out of the way. That being said, we've got a 3/16 plate. Every plate on this bumper is 3/16. So 13 gauge tubing, 3/16 plate. This plate right here allows for pick your winch, pick your fair lead, bolt it on. You're good to go. So that's kind of, now the 3/16 plate also is, well, your push part here, your skid plate here, a nice approach angle. We've got high lift jack mounts here, so that's nice and simple. We also have, we've got a relief cut in here, so you can actually put a pull pin here or a draw area. Now here's the neat thing about the bumper. What you're seeing is, without getting underneath it, we don't stop right here like some of the other bumpers. Our bumper literally continues way back to the factory poly plate that you see under the chassis section. So our bumper is about this much longer than what you're seeing here, and it goes to the back mounts, about equivalent to the back mounts of the lower control arm. So it literally, I mean, just about anything you're gonna throw at it, this bumper's gonna take it. So fully powder coated, I mean, MBRP powder coat is some of the best. We literally, black powder coat takes the beating, up against the weather, the whole 9 yards. Now another one is the wiring. So we've got some MBRP lights on here. We've got some spots and floods. These are 2 3/4 all blacked out units. But the neat part about this, you can put any lights on you want. Fully welded light mounts at the back here. There's 4 of them. There's room here to get larger rounds, whatever you want to do. But the neat thing is the bumper is all pre-drilled with grommets and ready to go for all internal wiring. So regardless, MBRP lights or, and we got great lights out there that, you know, have been around for ages. Pick your poison on lights, bolt them on direct to the MIG welded mounts back here, and then you can internally wire through the bumper all the way back into the compartment and find your power. Check it out at MBRP.com, or of course, look up your local dealer.